In today's video, we're diving into the incredible benefits of planking for just 1 minute a day. You might be surprised to learn how such a simple exercise can transform your fitness routine. We'll explore how incorporating short workouts like planking into your daily life can boost your strength, improve your posture, and enhance your overall well-being. Plus, we'll discuss the mental benefits, such as increased focus and reduced stress. By the end of this video, you'll be inspired to add planking to your daily regimen and discover the powerful impact it can have on both your body and mind. Understanding planking. Planking is a core-strengthening exercise that involves holding a position similar to a push-up, but with your weight resting on your forearms and toes. This static hold engages multiple muscle groups, particularly your abdominal muscles, back, and shoulders. To perform a plank correctly, keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engage your core, and avoid letting your hips sag or rise. For those at different fitness levels, there are variations to consider, such as knee planks for beginners or side planks for added challenge. Mastering the plank can lead to improved strength and stability in your workouts. Physical benefits of daily planking. Incorporating just 1 minute of planking into your daily routine can lead to significant physical advantages. Over time, you'll notice marked improvements in your core strength and stability, which are essential for overall fitness. A strong core supports better body posture, helping to alleviate back pain and reduce the risk of injury. Additionally, planking can contribute to weight loss and muscle toning, as it engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This efficient exercise not only sculpts your abs but also strengthens your arms, shoulders, and legs, making it a powerful addition to any fitness regimen. Mental benefits of daily planking. Daily planking offers more than just physical gains, it also provides significant mental health benefits. Engaging in this exercise can help reduce stress levels by promoting the release of endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Additionally, the focus required to maintain proper form during a plank can enhance your concentration and mental clarity. There's a strong connection between physical activity and mental well-being, as regular exercise can combat anxiety and depression. Consider incorporating planking as a mindfulness practice, allowing yourself to be present in the moment and connect with your body, ultimately fostering a healthier mind-body relationship. Setting realistic goals. When starting your planking routine, it's essential to set achievable goals to ensure long-term success. Begin with a 1-minute hold, focusing on maintaining proper form. As you build strength and confidence, gradually increase your duration by 10 to 15 seconds each week. Tracking your progress can be a great motivator, so consider keeping a journal or using a fitness app to stay accountable. Remember, it's crucial to listen to your body. If you feel discomfort or fatigue, adjust your goals accordingly. By setting realistic expectations, you'll create a sustainable planking practice that leads to lasting results. Incorporating planking into your routine. Integrating planking into your daily life can be simple and effective. Consider setting specific times to perform your planks, such as first thing in the morning, during a lunch break, or right before bed. Pairing planking with other exercises, like squats or push-ups, can create a well-rounded workout that maximizes your time and effort. To see the best results, consistency is key. Aim to include planking in your routine at least 3 to 4 times a week. By making planking a regular part of your day, you'll not only strengthen your core but also enhance your overall fitness journey. In summary, planking for just 1 minute daily offers remarkable physical benefits, including improved core strength, better posture, and potential weight loss. Additionally, it supports mental well-being by reducing stress and enhancing focus. Remember, consistency is crucial, so set realistic goals to keep yourself motivated. As you embark on this journey, don't hesitate to share your progress and experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with friends who might benefit from these tips. Together, we can create a supportive fitness community and inspire each other to reach our goals.